So I'm so excited to showcase one of my newest little projects that I got from Decor Steals, and it's this Our Nest sign, and I wanted to show you how I took the simple sign that they sent and added it to my laundry room. So this beautiful sign, it's really sturdy and strong. Even though it's got this thin cutout, you can be guaranteed it's a super strong piece. Really well made, and it says Our Nest, and I love it. And I decided in my little laundry room here, which I have been working on, I wanted something here but where this door could still open, and so I have this wreath with this spray, and I just tied this Our Nest right to the center of it, and I think it worked perfect. And so it adds such a fun little element to my laundry room, and this is such a great piece. Our Nest is going live today, and you guys would love to check it out and snag it. It's a great price, and it just makes for a beautiful touch. You really could add it to any other space in your home, and I chose my laundry room and I love it. Thanks to Decor Steals. You guys are amazing.